Why does your scanner show the P1416 engine code? What does it mean? P1416 is a diagnostic trouble code for air pump circuit malfunction or AIR system bank 2. This engine code indicates that this system is designed to introduce extra air into the exhaust system during cold starts to help the catalytic converter reach operating temperature faster and reduce emissions. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty air injection valve, clogged passages or hoses, damaged air pump hoses. Check valve issues, electrical problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet Silverado, 1500, and Corvette C5 models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.